What if I told you there's a way to unlock a $30 a month AI subscription without paying a single cent? And most people scrolling past this video right now have no idea it even exists. Before we go any further, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed, because what you're about to see is going to save you real money. And I don't want you missing the next video where we go even deeper into this. So here's the situation. There's a premium AI subscription out there that gives you access to one of the most powerful reasoning models on the planet. Faster responses, unlimited image generation, deep research tools that dig through the entire web in seconds, voice conversations that feel almost human, and a memory system that actually remembers what you told it weeks ago. Normally, that kind of power costs $30 a month. Some versions of it cost $300 a month. That's not pocket change. That's real money every single month forever, unless you cancel. But what if you never had to pay that price at all? What if there were legitimate, completely safe ways to get that same premium experience for free? Stick with me, because I'm about to walk you through every single method that actually works right now, starting with the easiest one and ending with the one almost nobody talks about. Let's start with the free tier itself, because most people don't even realize how much you can already do without spending anything. If you just create an account, you get access to a solid AI model with a daily allowance of prompts. It resets every couple of hours, not at midnight like most apps, so if you plan your usage around that reset window, you can stretch it a lot further than you'd expect. It's not unlimited, but for basic questions, quick research, and everyday tasks, it holds up surprisingly well. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every time this company launches a new model or a major new feature, they tend to open up a free trial window for their premium tier. These trials have lasted anywhere from 7 days to a full 30 days, depending on the promotion. That's an entire month of premium access, completely free, if you catch the window at the right time. So how do you actually catch one of these windows? The trick is simple. Keep an eye on major announcement days. When a new model version drops or when a big new feature gets revealed, that's exactly when these companies want to hook new users. They'll send trial offers to existing accounts. They'll post limited time upgrade prompts inside the app, and they'll run promotions through their billing dashboard. If you already have a free account sitting there, you're perfectly positioned to grab the trial the moment it appears. The people who miss out are the ones who don't have an account at all yet. Now let's talk about something a lot of people completely overlook, the student route. If you have a valid student email address, some of these companies have run promotions offering multiple months of premium access at absolutely no cost. This isn't guaranteed to run all the time. Availability shifts by region and by promotion period. But if you're a student, it costs you nothing to check. All you have to do is verify your student status through the official sign-up page, and if a promotion is live, you're in. Here's another angle that most tutorials never mention. There's a cheaper entry tier that sits between the free version and the full premium plan. It's not free, but it's a fraction of the price of the top tier, and it unlocks a meaningful chunk of the premium features. If your goal is to reduce cost rather than eliminate it completely, this middle tier is worth knowing about, especially while you're waiting for the next free trial window to open up. Now, for anyone who's a little more technical or willing to learn just a bit, there's a method that genuinely surprised me when I first found it.
These companies run developer platforms separate from the regular consumer app, where you can access the exact same underlying models through an API. When you sign up for a developer account, you typically get an instant credit balance just for registering. On top of that, some of these platforms offer an ongoing monthly credit refresh if you opt into their data sharing program after your first small purchase. Stack those two things together, and you're looking at a meaningful amount of free usage every single month, running the same powerful models that premium subscribers pay for. Now, I know that sounds technical, and you might be thinking, I don't know how to use a developer API, I just want to chat with the AI like normal. Totally fair. But here's the thing. A lot of these platforms let you connect that same API access to simple tools and interfaces that look and feel exactly like a normal chat app. You don't need to write code. You just need to follow the setup steps once. And after that, you're using the same premium level model just through a different front door. Let's also talk about limited time community events. Every so often, these companies will open up their premium tier completely free for a short stretch, sometimes over a weekend, as a way to get more people hooked on the higher tier features. If your work doesn't require access every single day, and you can batch your heavier tasks, your research, your image generation, your long documents, into one of these free weekend windows, you're effectively getting the full premium experience without ever pulling out your wallet. Now, before you go try any of these methods, let me give you the reality check that most videos on this topic skip entirely. Free trials almost always auto-renew into a paid subscription unless you cancel before the trial ends. That means if you forget, even by one day, you could get charged the full price, sometimes as high as $300 without warning. So the moment you activate any free trial, set a reminder 2 or 3 days before it ends. Don't rely on your memory. Set an actual alarm on your phone. This one habit alone will save you from the most common and most expensive mistake people make when chasing free premium access. Also, always go through the official app or the official website when signing up for any of these programs. There are copycat sites out there promising instant unlimited free access, and they exist purely to collect your information or your payment details. If an offer sounds too good to be true, like permanent unlimited access with 0 conditions, it almost always is. The legitimate methods I just walked you through all come with real conditions, a trial period, a student verification, a developer sign-up, because that's how these companies actually operate. So let's recap everything you just learned, because this is genuinely a lot of value packed into one video. You've got the always free tier for daily light use. You've got trial windows that open up around major launches, giving you up to a full month of premium access. You've got the student promotion path if you qualify. You've got the lower cost entry tier if you just want to reduce your bill instead of eliminating it. You've got the developer platform route with instant credits and recurring monthly refreshes. And you've got free community weekends if your workflow allows for batching. Combine even 2 or 3 of these methods, and you could realistically go months without ever paying full price for a premium AI subscription that most people are handing over $30 or even $300 a month for without a second thought. If this video just saved you money or opened your eyes to an option you didn't know existed, do me a favor and smash that like button. Leave a comment telling me which method you're going to try first, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, because I've got more of these money-saving AI breakdowns coming, and you do not want to miss them. I'll see you in the next one.